Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable and how to use the accessibility shortcut menu in this device. To enable the menu in this device, for this, go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one. Then again scroll down, tap on accessibility menu. Turn on this option, accessibility menu shortcut. Turn on, tap on allow. Okay, now you can see the accessibility menu is enabled. You can see this is the menu. You can move the menu anywhere on your choice. On the screen you can see here. If you tap on this one, you can see some shortcuts you can see here. Then from here also, without the power button, you can easily power off the device or restart the device. If you tap on the option power, you can see. Okay, if you want to lock the device using the accessibility shortcut menu, you can lock the device. Just tap on this one. Okay, so if you tap on the accessibility menu, you can make the brightness down and brightness up. You can make the volume up and down. If you go to next page, here from here you can take the screenshot also. So simply in this way you can enable and use the accessibility shortcut menu in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.